What's up guys, Christopher Crisis Point and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we'll be talking about the Realme 9 Pro Plus, specifically the camera performance. Now for this particular episode, we're going to be doing this in Green Hills Shopping Center, where we're going to be taking photos of a subject that I became such a fan of. But before which, here's a quick recap on what the Realme 9 Pro Plus is. So the Realme 9 Pro Plus was released first quarter of this year. This is considered to be the upper mid-tier smartphone from Realme that is jam-packed with a ton of specifications, which boasts a flagship camera sensor, which is a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766, which is also found in other flagship smartphones in 2022. So in this video, we're headed towards Shopsville Plus, where basically all the awesome toys and figurines are made available. And of course, if you don't have the time to attend ToyCon or Comic-Con or any of the convention events that showcases toys, then this is the easiest life hack for you, as all of them are available here. Now right off the gate, I did mention previously that even when I first tested out the Realme 9 Pro Plus, this is by far one of the best smartphones you can get in 2022 if the camera is your main focal point or your main focus. It just provides so much versatility, which enables you to take those precious moments at any given angle, any given style, at any given time of the day. It even comes with extra features such as light trail or neon trail, which adds a little bit of extra when taking photos at night. Now I started this hobby when it comes to toy photography basically when all this lockdown happened, because you can't really go out, and most often than not, whenever we do these camera tests, we just had to work with whatever is available inside our houses. And back then I only had like a few figurines inside my house, which I was able to fully maximize depending on what smartphone I was testing at that time, and I started developing this liking towards it. Of course, every smartphone's camera performance will change depending on its configuration and specifications and all that, which got me so into the Realme 9 Pro Plus. Because of the larger sensor, which is the Sony IMX766, it is able to capture more light when taking photos, giving you more detail on every photo. Even if I don't actually activate the 50 megapixel mode, the images produced on the Realme 9 Pro Plus is just stellar in many ways. There's plenty of detail to go around, subjects are not too saturated, there's a good contrast, and probably the best part of it is that if you are to do post editing, even if a photo wasn't taken in RAW mode or in Pro mode, having to alter the saturation and contrast and all that stuff is not entirely going to affect the overall quality of the image taken on the Realme 9 Pro Plus. So here are a few more samples taken on the Realme 9 Pro Plus.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over facts.
Now as far as video recording is concerned, the video recording is actually a lot better. Although I did notice that there's a bit of a shaky effect if you're shooting in 4K at 30 FPS, but if you want to have that sweet spot where you have this cinematic vibe going on, shooting 1080p at 60 frames per second would be the sweet spot. It is just so smooth considering it has optical image stabilization, giving you that cinematic smooth-like finish when shooting those awesome videos. Now as far as the front camera is concerned, I don't normally do this, but because the Realme 9 Pro Plus is being positioned in a way that you can use this for vlogging purposes, here is a quick test using the front camera. Check it out. What's up guys, Christopher Crisis Point, and today we'll be doing a quick front camera test where we are in Green Hills Shopping Center. This is in the Promenade building, and we're basically just giving a quick test with the front camera as well as the actual microphones of the phone. So there is no lapel microphones attached whatsoever. It's literally just the phone itself. So I'm going to do a quick spin. There you go. Let me know what it sounds like. Let me know what it looks like down in the comments. ultimately, I was very much satisfied with the overall performance in terms of camera. Very much happy with the output that the Realme 9 Pro Plus has produced throughout the time that I was taking photos and videos. And considering it's only been out for a few months now, I am very much sure that the Realme 9 Pro Plus will be receiving a ton of software updates and optimizations for the camera capabilities, giving consumers a lot of value for money, especially those who are looking for a very reliable camera on a smartphone. And that's pretty much it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, drop your questions if you have any, consider subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and unboxing videos. Thanks again for watching. This is Chris once again from Crisis Point, and I'll catch you on the next.